Hi guys, today we will talk about how to add your communication style on your Tinder app, or we'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Tinder app. All you have to do, just go down here, you click here on down, then it's going to take you to next window here or your profile, and you just go up, you click here on this mark settings, then it's going to take you to next window here or settings window, and you just go down. So you just keep going here, and you keep going, and so sorry, we will go back. It's not this window. You click here, so you click here, then it's going to take you to your profile here, and you just go down here, and you come here to communication styles. You will click, and it's going to show for you window like this, and you just come here to what is your communication style. You can, and here you can add your communication style here in this window. So you just click, and it's going to add with you like this. So that's all you have to do. Just follow these ways, and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.